Okay, so we are still on the first badge, and this is the cloud storage and sharing tool module. And so first what I'm going to do is go to Google Drive because that's the one that I'm most comfortable with. I used it all throughout high school, so I'm pretty familiar with it. And so these are my two existing folders right now, so Bio 205 and EDCI 285, and within these contain more information. And so for this class, we were asked to make one for EDCI 285. So I'm going to go to New, Folder. I'm going to name it EDCI 270, my bad. And so I will just create this. And so if I want to add something to it, maybe something about my theme or any data that I find, I will click on this. And once I get here, I can either drop something in. So if I have any pictures, so for example, let's say I want to add this picture. I can just drop it in there and it's right there. Or if I want to maybe add a Google Doc, I can say maybe document 1, and then I can say maybe I have like an ongoing list of all the facts that I want. So yep, and then I can it automatically saves. And so I go to EDCI 270 folder, and there's my picture that I dropped in there through Dropbox. And if I click on this, that will get me go straight to Google Docs to see this document.